How to convert a JPG file into a PDF file. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change a JPG file into a PDF file. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, locate your JPG file. So this is a JPG file right here. As you can see right here on its name, it's .jpg. Now, to convert this into a PDF, what you'll need to do is open this up using your Photos app. Simply right click on your JPG, head over to Open With, and open it with Photos. After you've done that, you will notice the Photos app right here. Now what you'll need to do is search for the print option. You can directly tap on Control P as well. So tap on this. Now this should open up. Now before I teach you guys what to do next, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now after you've went to this print option, you will see different types of settings right here. On the top, you'll see Microsoft Print to PDF. Make sure this one is selected. Select your orientation. If you want it on portrait, you can simply select the portrait option. You can even change the photo size here, and you will see more settings. Now what you can do is you can tap on print, and it will simply first create a PDF file. So choose your location here, and I'll just name it Chilkai PDF. And when you save it, it will just get saved and printed if you have connected to a printer. So you'll see right here, I've just created this PDF file. Now if you open it up, it will open in your Microsoft Edge, and there we go. So that is how you can convert a JPG file into a PDF file, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.